welcome to Vanlife VanGaming. And yesterday we actually stayed in this lovely place called Shirley as we were heading our way up to Birmingham, and we are still in Birmingham and we are on our way to Cadbury World. I'm so excited since it's Easter and the main chocolates come from Cadbury's, so why not, we figured, go to Cadbury World. So that's what we are doing now. We are on our way to Cadbury World. I am so excited, and we're going to take videos there and show you guys everything. Right guys, so here's the playground. Let's go in the playground and I'll show you guys what's in here. We're heading to the 4D experience. I wonder what 4D is. Let's go have a look. It was like us on a real roller coaster. We did take some videos in there, but that was really, really good. I think you guys will enjoy it if you can hear.
Peggy, wait for lunch.
Hang on, he's not here. I like to have a word with that bird. This is absurd. Oh, what has occurred? What? How is that there? Look, I'm not twice, I'm not doing it there. Oh, all this noise is loud!
That show was absolutely amazing, but they did get me a little bit wet. Only a few drops, luckily. Some people got full-on squirted. That show was amazing. Let's go to the Bournville experience, shall we?
Wait, no boys.
Why is he so skinny?
In 1824, trade to coffee. I also sold cocoa drinks I prepared myself, chocolate and coffee beans. These drinks were considered as wholesome alternatives to alcohol, which we as Quakers strongly disapproved. In my spare time, I experimented with preparations of cocoa beans and chocolate, which I could sell in the shop. Soon I had to rent a warehouse in nearby Crooked Lane, where I could manufacture these products on a larger scale.
Our Majesty's planting our young cocoa trees. Hello there!
Once each pod has been cut, it's cut open, so that all of the beans and sticky pulp can be scooped out to be fermented in a heap and then dried in the hot sun until they've turned a rich brown colour. Once the beans are dried, they are tested for their quality before being loaded onto a cargo ship to be transported to England. They are then taken to our factory in Chirk for processing.
Right guys, so we got a free sample of melted chocolate, and the toppings I picked is Oreo and fudge, and my dad picked Oreo and marshmallows. Look how good this is. This is amazing. I've tried it and it's so good. Let's kind of keep on looking, shall we? Right guys, so this is what we got at Cadbury's. So in this bag, we got a very big, and I mean very big, box of Freddos. So we paid £9 for this box of 60 Freddos, and the 25p each. I think since we bought that, we got this little guy for free. And next we got this, a Bournville rum and raisin dark chocolate bar for my granddad for £1.25, which is quite cheap. This huge bag of misshapes for about £4. And then I got this teddy bear for roughly about £15. And then I got this one for roughly about £13. And we got two of these huge chocolate bars, £5 each, which I think was a very good deal. Surprising, because in the shops the tiny bars are about that much. And here is our freebies. Well, not really, well, some of them. So this is just a cup I got. It wasn't free, but it's a cup. And now it's a freebies. Right, so we got this mini ace chocolate bar, because we had to count the chicks in the whole factory, and we guessed, and we got this for it since it's Easter. And then next and last thing, we got all these chocolate bars. So we got 2 caramel dairy milks, 2 regular dairy milks, and 2 whisper bars as well for free. So I think that was a very good trip, and we got so many good things from there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe consider going. Right guys, I do recommend going there, but we kind of did it back to front. So we did the rides first, then we did the factory, since we got the evening appointment or booking. But we did go into the cafe, and I don't really recommend going into a cafe. All the food was overpriced. The pizza, so this is what we had. We had the pizza, it was okay. The cheesy garlic bread, I do not recommend. It's very overpriced and very disgusting. And we also got these chips. They were alright. I mean, they weren't the best, but they were alright. But there is in the playground a little hot dog and burger place, and I recommend going there instead of the cafe because the food isn't that good. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But just as a thank you to all of you guys, we're going to be taking down our ads very soon, because it will probably help us grow our channel, and that's what we're hoping. And then we might put them back up, but not straight away, a few months later maybe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and press the notification bell. And remember, we've got super thanks down below, so please, if you want to help us expand our channel or help us get a new van, and please do the super thanks down below. Right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. And remember, if I can do it, you guys can do it too. Bye.